Amin, daya. Daya.
Sino yung kumukuha ng video?
B.
Taga B-main yun.
B-main. Kenneth Marcelino.
Kenneth, B ka?
Hindi na sa sorry.
Hindi ako bika. Bibi.
B. Below.
Luma pa, hindi mo ginamit motor, no?
Hoy, Ronald! Kailangan mo ng guest speaker dito. Tatakbo na si Mike. Okay, Lakers, please line up at the back. Okay? First on the grid goes to Kevin, followed by Emmer, Doc, Fred, Gibson, Michael, Jess, Marshall, take your positions. Here we go. Racers, ganito.
Wow, okay, laro muna tayo bago kumuwi.
Okay, nice and clear on the first pen. Oh, tamol yung corner. Di pa nga nasa first pitch eh. Indax ba yun? Ano ba yan ka? Too much chuato. Okay, Melagero over Kevin Kua. Smoking in on the first pen.
Ay!
Hey, Melagero on the left, on the flashing. Flores and the
Ikaw ba yan, Mer?
Green. Kick your man, Kevin. Start on the road. I think goes to Kinson. Oh, the later is Emmer. First time goes to. Hey, Melagero ba? Ano nangyari yun? Ay, last straight goes to. Emmer blew it. Oh, ano nangyari kay Emmer? Matagal eh. Nakuha yan.
2.4 eh.
Huh? 2.4?
Left.
Okay, this is a very spicy contested race with Kingston over Kevin Kua. Sabi namin kami ko, team associated raw. Oh! Oh! Here comes the friendly! Okay, I see a new leader with... Wait, pari best friend mo na una! Best friend over Michael! Takes the lead over Emelagero! Oh, panayin mo naman! Oh, nagkamali na naman si Emmer at the end of the straightaway. Let's see, Michael still leading! Followed by Emelagero, Kevin Kua, and I think that's that. Ay, wala bang binangga? And I think it's that.
Ay, namatay!
Namatay! Namatay! Namatay! Namatay! What happened? Battery na lang yan. Switch lang yan, switch. And the crowd are clapping with joy. At that is of Pizza owner Michael. Let's back to the race. Sasakyan ko line followed by Clinton and Emmer. Go ahead! Nagagalit na team captain! Is Montilla! Oh, this is becoming a very exciting race. Oh my God! Back in the groove! It's up there! Switch lang ba, switch? Ay, nagbuhay ulit. And the crowd faces are coming in. There's a big gap. Let's see, my gap. And catch up is associated guys. Ayan. Ay, may isa sa front.
Ay, ay, ay.
5 minutes left.
Big glitch.
Big glitch, mga 2.4 eh.
Eh, hindi na kasi nag 2.4. Hindi kasi kwento.
Baka. Oh, yan na naman, yan na naman, yan na naman.
Oh!
Easy lang, easy lang.
Eh, legalit. Asa ka yan? Palot. Oh, I think that's Remy na. With the mind. Oh, Bernie na. Solidly second. Still, with his second range. This ay Milagero. Overshooting is Dakta Kayan. Here comes Gibson Kua over Emmer. Oh, doing the roller coaster maneuver. Is Dakta Vincent. Here, Dakta Kayan of Associated. Leading Hyper 9 yata yung kay Bernie na. X-ray for B44 daw.
Fred, galingan mo, Fred!
Looking for Bernie na in the B44. Then large version.
4 minutes left.
B44, take one.
Ay!
Ay, my God. lang. Itapon mo na yan. Reserve mo na lang later. May sisira pa yan eh. Bawi na lang. Oh, nahulog. And, uy, sandali. I think it's Emeragero again.
Hindi.
Looking at the wrong place at the wrong time. Always long sa pula is the leader. It's orange with black background. Body shell. Sakta kaya? Oh! What did we do in sounding his brain? Shortcut na Emera. Okay, still a little race 15 minutes to go. Sakta kaya leading Kimson by 11 seconds. Okay, Martin. Oh! Ayun natin at the back straight. Kasi Almeragero. Some issues with his radio perhaps. Oh, bad landing there after the double. And quietly maintaining a good lead. Is Dax Sakayan. Finally, Dax Sakayan loosening up his skate, sliding at the end of the straightaway. Able to recover in time. Wow, whose skate is that? Emer na naman. Emer, bawi ka na lang next time.
Okay.
Checkin mo muna. O, ayan na.
Oo.
Taktang ko si X-ray eh. Sinabi mo na lang yung kay papahiram daw sa inyo. Winning car daw yun. Okay, 1:40 to go. Dax Sakayan with the commanding lead. Over second placer. Let's see who crosses the line for second. Over. Tumbling one another. There we go now. He is second. Hey, 1, 2, and 3 up front.
Dito!
Hey! Pagkanalo, 1, 2, and 3. Kaya lang, kailangan pumunta ka sa isang bahay. Not here. Doon sa headquarters. And 1 and 15 to go. Here, Emeragero insisting to finish this first inning. Trying to cope up with his radio. There are some glitches.
1 minute left.
And the 1 minute mark is heard for the racers. Dax Sakayan, where is Dax? I see him nowhere. Oh, there he goes at the back double. Let's see if he will do the double. The roller coaster maneuver. Here comes Dax Sakayan. 30 seconds to go. 1 more lap for Dax. And solid second. The white. Driven by Kevin Kua. Oh, I see. Marvelous Marvin. Fredmina overtaking the other associated. Let's see if Fredmina can hold her place from Gibson. Last 1 second. Naku, 1 more lap for you guys. 1 more exciting lap. And time natin start. First to start goes to Jeff. Followed by Icam. The Vero brothers are finishing their time. Done. And where are the exciting races for
Car 1
third?
is done.
Okay,
Car
car
6 is
1,
done.
Dax done. Alright,